So yeah, I guess that's it. Let me start with sharing our our update on P2P. I mean update on Etherspot's P2P. We don't have anything. We don't have any updates since the last time we spoke because we were mostly busy with our integrations and partnerships. So no update on our side.
Hi, I want to speak for this Cilius Rust implementation bundler. We don't have we are not making progress this day too. So we don't have good updates right now. We are handling our own bugs recently. So maybe we will continue working next probably next week. Yeah.
Yeah, from our side regarding the B2B, we don't have any updates also. We are trying, we are s- we are still figuring it out, and we don't have any updates from the last time.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, we are still pushing some more tests to the spec test. I'm not sure if all of you are already on the running the spec test and appearing the dashboard.
Yeah, maybe not the latest one, I guess. Not yet.
Okay, at least run it locally to see that you are running the spec test.
Sure, yeah, okay.
Okay, so I think we don't have anything else. So.
I have one question. What's the status of the new entry point contract 0.7?
We are pushing some changes. There are PRs. You can see. We try to stabilize it, and without sacrificing security. So it's a very tricky point that we want the flexibility to be able to do better gas calculations and estimations, and without opening any new attack vectors. We don't have deadline yet when it will. We are compiling a list of all the changes, but right now there are no breaking changes in the protocol, in the structures yet. I hope there won't be any. There is a slight change we are trying to think with the paymasters. Right now, paymasters are a bit expensive. Not expensive. They require balance because the way we handle post-op. And the post-operation, right now, it runs the post-operation, and if it fails and fails the execution, it let the paymaster run it again, and eventually to even revert, which can cause revert the entire bundle. This is second post-op, and the possibility to revert entire bundle, we want to completely block, even though a bundler can be throttled down and banned if he ever tried to do it, but still want to completely remove it. We think it secure and assessing all the security implication of that, but it's not something that a bundler will change the API, and as far as we can tell, it will also not change any existing paymaster.
Okay, cool. So the list of changes will probably be available before the deployment, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yes. Again, it's gonna. We add as we change the simulation function. It's gonna be a change for the bundles code, of course, to simplify and make the simulation and the gas estimation more accurate. But it will not changing the code afterwards.
Yeah.
He just wanted to make another point. Yeah, this is Haq from Banana HQ. As a team, we have just been exploring intents a bit. Wrote an article on it, and then we're kind of diving a bit more deep into the architecture. We'll keep you updated on like when that's ready. And I think Rishabh from my team is already having conversations with you, and Draw on the same. So yeah, so I'll just share the link of this article. Would love to get feedback on it, and would love to be thought partners on how we can enable this for the EVM ecosystem.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Where did
Sure.
you post it?
Sorry.
Where did you post this article?
Yeah, it's on Medium. I'm sharing the link here as well. Just give me a sec. Yep. This one is mostly like basic and covers the whole concept on a high level, but then the subsequent parts of the article would just dive a bit more deep, discuss the the architecture a bit more around how do we reduce hallucinations, how do we make sure that how do we simulate transactions, how do we make sure that the intents are being met, etc. So we'll try to dive a bit more deep in those concepts. How do we make it more decentralized? How do we make sure that there is a proper consensus mechanism for solvers? So yeah, we'll dive a bit more deeper in those concepts, and would love to get your feedback on the existing article.
Okay. I'll try to look. Where do you see it impact 4337, if at all? Is it only at the wallet level? We do talk about.
I mean, yeah, sure. So I don't see this impacting 4337 per se, but I think intents can leverage 4337 in a lot of ways. And like wallets that are building, like smart contract wallets that are building, that are like 4337 compatible, they can have something like intents in their in the wallet itself, and applications which are supporting 4337 wallets, they can also have something like intents in their application, where when the intent is being executed, it's actually being executed through a smart contract wallet. So that both of them are like a complementary solution per se, not something yeah.
So I think we can finish the call, right? If we don't have anything to discuss.
Yes. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, sure. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.